I do it for the rainy days, for the miserable conditions, for the empty streets and the motionless walkways. I do it for wet shoes and wet jeans that stick to my ankles, for sweaty skin contained under sweaty ponchos, for slippery sidewalks and flowing gutters. I do it for the miserable faces, for the hunched over bodies, for eyes that do anything but meet mine. I do it for the fogged up lenses, the sticky, moisture-ruined film, for the cameras creaking with water damage. I do it for time away from loved ones, for the time away from home, warm and dry, for the time I miss apart from my children, the smiles I love. I do it to practice a craft that haunts my dreams, for a hobby that eats my thoughts, the pastime that chews my waking moments. I do it for the thrill of failure, that sweet taste of disappointment, served bitter, being unable to see the image in my mind's eye. I do it for the handful of shitty images, for the photos that should never ever see the light of day, for the snaps of a memory of a time that people would rather forget. I do it for no other reason than without these sublimely delicious moments of pain, there will be no meaning in the perfect moments of beauty.